Okay, so today I want to show you this CONN Mini Chainsaw kit. It comes with two pair of gloves, the gray and the white. Comes with a Phillips screwdriver for tightening the tension. And it also comes with the hex driver for taking off the chain holder. It has a guard and it has two batteries. The batteries charge here in the middle using this wall adapter. You get one chain on the chainsaw and then you get two additional ones in the bag. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate by just pushing in the safety with my thumb and then squeezing the trigger.